Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is salsabilaA.Pstudent with student ID 2310732032. So in these videos, I will make a reading report about the material from Kin, Rodman, and Hazen 2014. So this reading report is about morphological analysis with emphasis on tree diagrams. So for the introductions, we will talk about the morphology first. So morphology is study of the structures and formations of words, crucial for understanding language mechanics. So in the text of from Kin 2014, there he illustrates morphological principles through tree diagrams, which usually represent the hierarchical relationship between morphemes. So in this report, I will focus on the significance of tree diagrams in morphological analysis and how they change our understanding of word formation. So the first one, I want to talk about understanding the morphemes. So the morphemes is the smallest units of meanings in language. So morphemes can categorize into two. The first one is free morphemes, and the second one is bond morphemes. So free morphemes cannot stand alone, like the words book, run, or no. And the second one is bond morphemes, which cannot stand alone and must attach to free morphemes like an and at. So tree diagram structures. Tree diagrams. So tree diagrams serve as a powerful tool for visualizing how morphemes combine from words. So they depict the hierarchical structures of morphemes and making it easier to analyze the complex words. So we will analyzing the words unhappiness. So the tree diagram for words unhappiness is structures so these structures highlight how the prefix un negates the root happy and the suffix ness which transform the adjective to nouns. So it's illustrating the ultimate meaning of state of being unhappy. So more complex about tree diagrams being increasingly useful as words grow in complexities. So for the example is analyzing disinterestedness. So this diagram in this word is clarifies how words is constructed. So the prefix this modifies the base interest, and the ad indicates a particular form, and this transforms it into a noun. So the implications of tree diagrams facilitate the understanding of complex morphologic structure by illustrating how morphemes functions both independently and in combinations. So they help linguistics. For the first one is to analyze the informations of the words, and the second one is identify the pattern across language. So morphological typology and tree diagrams from Kinswortman and Helms categorize language based on their morphological features. So using tree diagrams to illustrate their categories. For the categories to analyzing the language, and then synthetic the language. It exhibit more complex diagrams due to inflections. So for the conclusions of this material is tree diagrams are infallible in morphological analysis. So providing whole clarity on how morphemes interact to form words. Fromkin, Rotman, and Helms effectively utilize these diagrams to illustrate key concepts in morphology. So helping linguists visualize and understand the structures of language as we explore more complex words in various language. Tree diagrams remain essential for dissecting and comprehend the nuance of word formation.